This is the Hello World Podcast. Ano-ano pa yung klase ng needs, Marby? For example, could you be able to group what are the basic needs and therefore this is the LMS that they need? What is a middle level need and what is an advanced need? Just to help those practitioners out there or professionals, basic lang pala yung kailangan namin. Or we are in the intermediate level. Or we need an advanced type of LMS because our needs are also advanced. Would you be able to, is it possible to group them together like that?
I'll try. I'll try, Louie. Oo. Siguro the first thing that you need to you have to, I guess, think about what do you need to automate. I think yun yung first thing eh. Ano ba yung kailangan mong i-automate? Is it training delivery? Or is it training management? Or training analytics or learning analytics, right? I guess kung first, if you're at the basic level, which is you just want to track training delivery or deliver training delivery. Pwede na tayo dun sa mga Moodle. I'm not sure if you're familiar, Louie. Oh. So, meron kasing Moodle which is already a built learning management system. Ito-tweak nyo na lang. You could already use it. Although that's very basic. So, if ang goal lang natin is to, for example, meron na tayo mga PowerPoint materials, convert na lang natin siya to videos, and we don't want to spend a lot of money on an LMS, yung mga off-the-shelf LMS, meaning yung nasa market, then I think we could opt to go with Moodle.
Okay.
Find na lang tayo ng mga web developers who could customize it, make it look like your brand. Para hindi naman mukhang plain website, no? Yes. Oo. So, but if you are looking for more sophistication, kasi you need to, may compliance na, kailangan na matrack mo siya per manager, kailangan na matrack mo yung completion kasi you will be reporting it. Then that's where I suggest that you go for more off-the-shelf platforms. Marami naman dyan. I don't wanna mention any, Louie, no? Kasi I'm not promoting any. Lagi rin ganyan tinatanong sa akin, Marby, ano yung best LMS? Ang hirap nang sagutin, Marby, kasi yun if it's not...
And they can check it out in Google, di ba?
Exactly,
they can have comparisons of this and they can compare features. But yes, of course, to our listeners in this learning episode, we are not after promoting a specific LMS.
Exactly.
But the thinking, the rationale behind the choice, and of course, thinking and planning. Take a look at that. Marby, honestly, it's also new to me. You know that I've been so immersed in delivery, in-person, on-site delivery. I love it. My clients love it. We are just a few meters away or feet away. We enjoy the activities, the team building activities, physical. But so it's really a key takeaway for me that the question that... Hi everyone, this is Louie Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.